Okay, get away from me with that candy.
That little cut and cut back once you get into the body of the front has been very effective for the Carolina Panthers.
Back there,
He starts in the strong A gap here and bounces the thing all the way back out to the inside.
Can I have some?
Just carry the defender where
can I have a little piece?
so a big first down. Nearing 100 yards. He has the first down and more. Carrying 4 or 5. He's wearing down as we count down the final seconds of the third quarter.
No, can I have some?
Lead the Cardinals.
Man, he put that last piece on his mouth.
Flyers at Fox NFL said they will continue after a word.
Here, come up your hands off. Here.
The New York Post can't wait for Wanda to take late night into a whole new and very dangerous direction.
I have no idea what that means, but I like it.
The Wanda Sykes Show premieres Saturday on Fox Late Night.
No, you gonna play baseball?
Stop building new settlements. The Palestinians refused. In Iraq, at least 10 people were killed and more than 40 injured in a series of bombings. The deadliest was at a fruit and vegetable market from a booby-trapped bicycle. There are concerns that violence will increase in Iraq as we get closer to parliamentary elections in January. Now to Cleveland, where police have a grisly mystery on their hands tonight. The coroner confirmed today that 6 decomposed bodies found in a home were all women, and that all of them had been murdered. The home belongs to a convicted rapist who is now suspected of being a serial killer as well. Eric Kong has the story.
No, I'm not playing with you.
In the neighborhood where the bodies were found, there's relief. A suspect is behind bars. But fear over who the victims might be.
I think it's just eerie that these bodies have been found, and my cousin have been missing just as long as they say these bodies could have been here.
Following a 2-day manhunt, police this weekend arrested 50-year-old Anthony Sowell after discovering the bodies of 6 women in and around his home. At least 5 had been strangled.
Boy, you are drooling over there.
Bodies may have been there for months or years.
Months or years? What in the world?
You better not drool on my shoe, because we will fall out today.
You like the shoes? You like those?
Released from prison 4 years ago after serving 15 years for rape. Authorities were investigating a new rape charge against him when they stumbled upon the bodies last week. Sowell had managed to hide his alleged crimes despite being required as a sex offender to report to sheriff's police every 90 days.
No one can be watched around the clock, and unless you have some information,
get down.
A person is going to
Get away from my leather coat, boy.
Investigators are now scouring missing person cases and calling the public for help as they work to identify the victims of this gruesome crime.
You say alphabet?
ABC News.
And we have one note tonight about the swine flu. The White House.
P. Q. What's next? R. S. T. U. You see all that? Like you get tobacco. Tobacco. R. What's next? No, S. T. U. V. Why is it? Good job. You're in a mechanic, do you? You done for the night, right? Right. Look at your mouth. You need to brush your teeth? Ugh. It's not funny. It's not. No, say hey. No, look. Go like this. Say hey. Can you say hey to the camera?
Oh, now you want to hide your face.
You gonna be on somebody's YouTube. I remember when I lost my mind.